Now, let us use update and replace to modify the existing content. For this, we add inline editing with update and replace. So far, we considered append and prepend and delete. Now, let us consider replace and update. Here we use TurboStream replace to implement editing feature, and soon we will use TurboStream update to update the messages count. We add edit link to the messages partial. Let us go to the code editor for this. And in here, let us add related link. And because we said that we want to implement everything in a purely TurboStream way, let us also add this. Later, when we consider mixing TurboFrames and TurboStreams, we will change it to implement this using TurboFrame. We will use inline edit form. So far, let us use it in this way. And because we have one link and one button here, which obviously may look a little unusual, let us also change this to link. For this, we will have to move it to inside of the data and remove form. Let us now update the browser. Okay, and let us make all this one line and add some gap between them. Okay, when user clicks the edit link, it will show update form. So we need to find a way of hiding this create message form when that happens. For this, let me go back to the editor and in here add the ID of form. And now we go back to messages and add a new file, edit turbo stream ERB. There we add this. When we do this, it will show the edit form and will remove new message form. And let us add one more file here called update ERB. There let us do okay, and now let's go to the messages controller, find the edit, and let us add code that handles various formats. And let us also go to the update function and do the same. And let us copy this and just change this. Okay, now let us go back to the browser, refresh, and when we click on the edit link, now we get the edit form, but let's check why the add new message form was not hidden, although we added related code. As you remember, in here we added this. It should have changed it to nothing. Let's see what we have in here. If the ID, okay, code is missing. Let's add it and let's go back to the form and let us click on the edit link again. Okay, now this time we get the edit form without the add new message form. Now let's refresh and add the new message. Okay, and now let us edit this one. Let us call it second message. Go back to messages. As you see, we got it changed to second message. Let us try to edit it again. So let us change it again. Let's say, let's update this to this one. And as you see, we didn't get back the add new message form back, and this form was not replaced to the message partial. What TurboStream returned to us includes the updated data. It shows that content should have been updated to second message from John, but it didn't happen because in here we do not get any element that has the ID of message 29, and TurboStream is trying to find an element with the ID of message 29. It's not there. Let us go back to the code editor. Let us go to the form, and here add ID. And let us come back to the browser. Let us refresh and click on the edit link, and let us explore it again. This time we get this ID, and let us again update it. This time we do not get the add new message form back. For this, let us go back to the editor, go to the update TurboStream file, and add the related. Okay, and now let us go back to the browser again, refresh. As you see, this time we get message updated and the add new message form back again. Edit TurboStream file, we remove the new message form, and in the update TurboStream file we add it back and replace the edit message form with the partial. Now let us say a few words about why we used replace and not update, and what would change if we used update.